there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teniola and I go by the name Tennis Natural here on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. So if you are a first timer, if this is the first time seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it your last. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my journey into software development. Yes, your baby girl is a lady programmer and a lady programmer in the making. My journey into programming was very steady. I decided to go to uni. I wanted something that I wanted a school that would be. I wanted a school that I can work and learn at the same time. So I optioned out for National Open University. So I'm a student of National Open University and my study center is in Lagos. So I'm going to be sharing with you everything you needed to know as a student of computer science. First of all, I did not know I was going to be studying computer science. I just wanted to go to uni to get, just upgrade myself and all that. Before then, I took some professional courses here and there. I have some professional certificates in some field, but I needed something I just wanted to do more. Do you understand me? So I decided to go for computer science, considering all my chances in getting the jobs and all that. So it was when I went into computer science that I realized I'm going to be doing something called software development. I'm going to be going into data science and structures. I'm going to be going into computer algorithm and all that stuff. I did not know what to expect. I thought computer science is just basically using Excel sheets, being able to operate the system, doing some technical things here and there. I did not know software development, coding, blah blah blah, is packaged into computer science. So that was a very fortunate thing for me. And if you don't know, National Open University, there is no open classroom. Like there is no lecture room. There are no lecturers. Yes, we have some lecturers for JST courses, but they are online. You have to go online to attend those classes. So they give you course materials, things to read, PDFs to study from and all that, and prepare for exams. Thinking about the fact that I have to study my course material, thinking about the fact that I do not have an open classroom, like an open lecture room or a physical lecture or any of that, I needed to do something for myself. So I just, thinking about it, I decided to go out to, at this point I already knew about software development, programming and stuff. So there was a time I was speaking with my classmates and I asked them why they study computer science, why I study computer science. Most of them give me the same answers, that they want to be a software developer. So some of them have an idea already, but in my case I have zero idea. So I decided on my own part, on my own end, to go for a physical classroom that is going to be basically practicals. When I got to the center, I told them I work part-time, I go to school part-time, so I have just little to no time to study this, and they made it work for me. So they asked me the package I want to go into. They asked me if I know anything about programming or software development. I told them no, I have zero idea about this. So they told me, okay, we have front-end development, we have back-end development, we have full-stack development, we have if you want to learn just a particular programming language, we have those as well. So as a novice, I'm not even a novice, amateur, which one is lowest? As somebody who has zero knowledge about these things, yes, I've tried watching some YouTube videos on Python, and trust me, they were not as helpful as a physical classroom, trust me. So I decided to go for the full stack web development because I'm a computer science student, I'm a CS student, I need to know everything. So I decided to go for full stack web development. So I started from introduction to programming, I started from HTML, I did CSS, I did framework, I did Bootstrap, I did JavaScript, and right now I'm at back-end development, and it's been great so far. Am I at the professional level? No. They will not teach you everything. You will not become a professional by going to a physical classroom. You will not become a professional by learning programming for a year. And you cannot stop learning. You need to continue learning. You need to continue, but the more you go, the more you study, the more comfortable and familiar you get with coding and syntax and all these things. So yeah, and I also realized that you do not have to learn every programming languages. Yes, if you want to be a full stack web developer, you need to learn markup languages. That is very key, and those do not change. You do not have any other alternative to those markup languages. You need to learn HTML, you need to learn CSS, and you need to learn JavaScript. Those three are the major components you need to learn, are the major markup language you need to learn for front-end development. So if you want to be a web designer, those are the three things you need to know very, very well. So for back-end, we actually have options. You can do C++, you can do C#, you can do Python, you can do PHP, you can do Node.js, you can do... There are lots. There are actually few programming language you can decide to choose and know very, very well. So in my case, at first I wanted to know everything. I wanted to know Python. I was like, where I'm currently learning my programming, they only teach us like PHP. After your front end, for back end, it is PHP MySQL. So you have to, if you need to learn the other things, you have to register for those. But in my package, it is PHP MySQL. But I'm going to tell you this: if you know one of these programming language, learning the others will not be difficult for you because they are like similar. Like there are some terms and words they will be saying into your head that you'll be familiar with. You already be familiar with some things, and you can use idea of the other programming languages to build yourself and learn at a faster pace compared to somebody who has zero knowledge. So I was worrying myself at maybe 2 months ago, trying to know everything. I wanted to know Python, I wanted to know PHP, I wanted to know everything. But then I realized that just know one or two and be good at it. One or two and be good at it. That's all you need. So I have decided to learn PHP, of course, MySQL, and then choose Python as the second one. So yeah, that is where I am right now. Do I need some anything? Okay. Is coding difficult? Is it difficult? It needs concentration. You don't have to be super smart to learn coding. You don't have to be an A student to learn coding. How has my practical class helping my academic class, my theory class? It has helped a lot. This last exam that we had, oh my goodness, it has helped me a lot because there are some words, there are some terms that came to me freely at my training where I did my practicals that has a very complicated definition in my textbooks, and I have to put all these definitions in my head. Sometimes I just speak in English that I don't even understand. But when it comes to practical, you already know what you can give it your own, and you can express yourself in your own meaning. So when I see a definition, I already have an idea. Oh, this has to be, and it helped. Like I really did well. Like I have grown career-wise because I am so proud of myself. I am proud of the things I can do right now. I used to tell people I'm a programmer in the making, but I can do a lot of things. In the pace of, I haven't spent up to 4 months at my practicals class, and I can do a lot of things. I've gone really far. Like I am surprised at the things I can actually do right now. And yes, I am super proud of myself because we have a lot of opportunities open to software developers across the world. Like if I can speak to the computer and tell you what to do and it actually does, I mean, you are a witch. Like, considering the fact that we do not have a lot of women in this field, I am super proud of myself. I'm not saying other career like hairstylist, blah blah blah, are not good. I'm not saying that, but like I'm actually different. I am different, and even as a CS student, we do not have a lot of females in my department, and even in my practicals, we have just two. Yes, 2 females in my class. I don't know, maybe in the future, if I am comfortable with doing that, I might take you guys to my class, to my practical class, just to like a vlog or something, how we attend classes and all that. I don't know, I might do that if I'm comfortable and if they are also, comfortable with showing their faces on camera. So I am currently in 300 level, and I'm in 300 level first semester, and I'm supposed to be writing my CWES. Sorry, I'm supposed to be going for my CWES/IT this semester, but I would because I was very good at my coding, and you know, I don't want to go as a novice. At least I want to know the basic things of back end before I go for it. So my first choice is Microsoft, and my second choice is Aware. I'm going to put the spelling on the screen in case I'm not pronouncing correctly. So if you have a link on how I can go into these organizations to do my IT, please let me know in the comments. Please reach out to me. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for always watching. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're a new timer, if you are a first timer, please don't make it your last. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And also give this video a thumbs up. Next to my channel, let the conversation continue in the comment section. If I omit on any information and you'd like to ask questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'm going to get back to you on that. I will make a special video for you on that, analyzing everything. And yeah, I think that's all. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for rocking with me. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.